In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Trends. Google Trends is a useful search trend feature that shows how frequently a given search term is entered into Google search engine relatively to the site total search volume over a given period of time. Google Trends can be used for comparative keywords research and to discover event-triggered spikes in keyword search volume. It also provides keyword-related data including search volume, index, and geographical information about search engine users. So overall, it's a very helpful tool to use if you are looking for higher search keyword for your website or your any other platform or business that you're looking for. So let's explore the Google Trends right away. So first of all, just go to your browser and search for trends.google.com and you will be landed to this website, and this is how the website will look like. At the left hand side, you will see these three dot icon. Just click on it and now you will see all the options available to you. There is explore, trending now, years in search, subscriptions, help, and send feedback. So first we will gonna go through the explore section. So just click on it. So as you can see that it is quite simple to use Google Trends. There are few things that you have to keep in mind. So first of all, at the top you will see this option called add a search term. We will add a search term later. First we will explore these options. All you will see this option called country. Just click on the drop down menu and now from there you can select the country of your choice. You can also go ahead and click on worldwide if you want to search for a broader keyword which is quite trending or relatively famous all around the world. And if you want to be precise and a country specific, just search for the country of your choice and select that country. For example, I will search for United States. Now as you can see this time frame option right beside the country option. So in this what will happen is if you tweak the settings, you can see the result for many years back. As you can see that it has gone to the past 90 days, 5 years or 2004 and present. So you can customize it according to you if you want to search for relatively trending keywords in the past and if you want to make a estimated decision for the keyword in the future. So you can go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna keep it on default as past 12 months. Now you will see this option called categories. So just click on it and here you can be even more specific while searching for the categories of your particular niche. So for example, your niche is art and entertainment. You can go ahead and click that and Google Trends will give you the specific result in that particular niche only. So likewise, as you can see, there are so many options available. Like you can search for business, finance, game, health, hobbies, home, jobs, loans, news, people, pets, real estate, and whatnot. You name it. So I'm just gonna keep it on all categories as of now. You can go ahead and choose according to you. And now web search. Just click on it and there you will see the option for image search, news, Google Shopping, YouTube search. So if you're searching for keyword for your website SEO, you can go ahead with the default setting as web search. But if you're looking to search keywords for your YouTube, you can choose YouTube search as well. For now, I'm just gonna keep it on web search only. And if you scroll down, you will see the search topics, search queries, and all of that. These are relatively trending searches and queries that the Google Trend is showing you as per the setting that we have just tweaked. Now we will add a search term. So for example, I'm searching for Christmas. Now as you can see that first it has given us this interest over time graph where you can see that this keyword has relatively lower trend in the past few months. Of course, because it was not the Christmas months and the Christmas month is going to be there in the few days. As you can see at the end of this graph, it is showing us the upward trend. This means that this keyword is going to be trending in coming days or weeks, obviously because the Christmas is just around the corner. And now if you'll scroll down, you will see the interest by sub-regions. Since we have selected the United States as our targeted location or the country setting, you can see that the interest by sub-region is quite high and most of the regions are searching for this particular keyword. That means this keyword has a very good volume and density. And now when you scroll down, you will see this related topics, related queries. Now you can also see the what people are searching like Christmas tree shops, paint printables, we wish you a Merry Christmas, and related queries like Christmas tree shops and Christmas nails and all of that. So these are the few insights that the Google Trend will provide you. Now you will see this option called compare at right beside the add search term. So this will help you if you want to compare this keyword that you have just searched to the another keyword. For example, let's compare Christmas keyword to some other keyword like beauty and just click on enter. Now you can see that the interest over time as compared to the Christmas and the beauty search that we have just compared both of them. As compared to the Christmas one, one, the beauty term has a very stagnant over the period of time, and the Christmas term of course has an upward trend. And you can see the region wise interest, that the Christmas keyword has a 75% interest region wise, and the beauty keyword has just 21%. And likewise you can see the other queries and the other data related to both these keywords. So you can also go ahead and add more comparison keyword and just keep searching for different keywords. And this is just an example. You can go ahead and search for the keyword of your choice, and now you will see this option called trending now. If you click on it, you can see what are all the keywords that are going trending today, and you can also tweak the settings like your country and real-time search trends and all of that. So this is basically how simple it is to use Google Trends. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.